Hey everyone, and welcome to Coffee with Crissy. This is my first episode, season 1, episode 1. Today I wanted to chat about something super close to my heart, the magic of connection. Have you ever had that feeling where you just click with someone? Like they totally get you. That's what I want to dive into, the beauty of being truly seen, heard, and present in all of our relationships, whether it's with your partner, your bestie, or even that awesome person you work with. You know that movie line from Notting Hill? I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him to love her? It's sweet, right? But if we get real for a sec, the connections that truly feed our souls happen when we move beyond just asking and step into a space of just knowing you're understood. Think about it, you shouldn't have to ask or beg for love. And that's a powerful reminder. When someone you admire and trust gives you their undivided attention, really listens to what you're saying, it's like the world stops. In that moment, you feel valued, seen, heard. It's an incredible feeling, and it's something I bring to all my interactions. So what makes these awesome connections happen? Let's break it down a little. First, it's about getting your feelings on, in a good way. Being emotionally intelligent means you're tuned into your own emotions and you're also picking up on what others are feeling. It's about really listening, trying to see things from their perspective, and just being kind with your words and actions. Then there's intimacy. This isn't just about romance. It's about feeling safe enough to be vulnerable with the people you trust. Sharing your real self, your hopes, your fears. That's where true closeness grows. And speaking of your real self, authenticity is key. We gotta ditch the masks. The people who are meant to be in our lives will love us for who we truly are, quirks and all. So when someone you admire accepts you fully, that's the best feeling, right? Surrounding yourself with the right people, that's pretty much everything. These are the folks who lift you up, celebrate your wins, and are just genuinely happy to have you in their life. They're the sunshine on your cloudy days, you know? And remember, the energy you put out there tends to come right back. So when you make an effort to really see and hear the people in your life, you're much more likely to attract those who will do the same for you. Building these heartfelt connections where you feel truly seen, heard, and valued. That's what makes life so incredibly rich. It's about creating your own little tribe of amazing people who just get you. So go out there, be present, be authentic, and deeply connect because your tribe is waiting for you.